Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 0.58%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.12% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper portion of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an appealing selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $8.98 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first indication of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we foresee a possible decline of approximately 36.95% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 65.55% to negative 33.95%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 114.55%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between 63.96% and 495.14% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $14.05 and $51. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline: Strong day for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price on Tuesday, rising by 5.67% to $8.57. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price gained 5.67% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, rising from $8.11 to $8.57. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.6%, with a low of $8.13 and a high of $8.58. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 2.88% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with 2 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $120,640,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 59.99%, or $12.85, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing Incorporated, known by its ticker symbol RGTI, is making headlines today. The company, in collaboration with Riverlane and the National Quantum Computing Centre, has won Innovate UK's Quantum Missions pilot competition. This partnership is backed by an investment of £3.5 million and focuses on advancing quantum error correction capabilities, a crucial step towards achieving fault-tolerant quantum computing. This victory could significantly enhance RGTI's reputation and attract further investment, potentially driving the stock price higher in the near term. Additionally, RGTI has been gaining traction among investors, experiencing a remarkable surge of nearly 2,000% in stock value during late 2024. With investors actively seeking stocks that could multiply in value, this recent momentum positions RGTI favorably in the market, especially in the rapidly growing quantum computing sector. The company's recent performance, consistently rising while broader markets face volatility, signals strong interest and confidence from the investment community. In the short term, RGTI's collaboration and recent performance may lead to upward pressure on its stock price as excitement builds around its technological advancements. In the long term, successfully improving error correction capabilities could establish Rigetti as a leader in quantum computing, enhancing its growth trajectory and potentially yielding significant returns for investors. Overall, it is advisable for investors to keep a close watch on how these developments unfold, as they possess the potential to significantly shape RGTI's market position in the coming years. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. As the price increases, so does the trading volume, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. However, it's important to note that there are also some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. The stock of Rigetti Computing, Inc. currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This scenario arises because the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $8.80. Should the stock decline, it will find support at $8.55 from the short-term average. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative trend. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, March 14, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 23.62%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 128 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.51. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 455 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.60%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $8.95. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.51. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -9.453. Overall, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Incorporated presents several negative indicators leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by 145/10,000ths and begin trading at $8.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.